Hey everyone, in this tutorial we will walk you through the easy process of creating a plan using QwenLM AI, a powerful and interactive planning tool. First things first, let's go to QwenLM AI website. And always remember to log in. This will make the process more easier and faster. Once you're inside, you can see an option of make a plan, which is under the prompt section. So this is the prompt section and you can see it over here, make a plan section. Tap on it. The QwenLM AI will provide you a lot of ideas. There's helping plan to learn a new skill for a successful interview and so on. Let's choose one of them for now. Let me choose helping the plan for saving money. Tap on it. Let's see it briefly. So here's a solid plan for saving money. Involves setting a clear goals, tracking your expenses and making adjustment to your habits, and it have give you a step-by-step method. Let's take one of them. First one is set clear financial goals. Short-term goals, this could be saving for the vacation, paying off a small debt or building an emergency fund. Term goals can be saving for the down payment on the car, home renovations or large purchases. And third one is long-term goals, retirement savings, buying a house or funding your child's education. Make your SMART goals, that means specific, measurable, achievable, relevant and time-bound. For example, instead of saying I want to save money, say I want to save $5,000 for an emergency fund in next 12 months. From here, you can make your taxes and set the deadlines. Here's another tip. Maybe we can use the tip that you have gave for tax, like do your expenses weekly or monthly to identify the areas you can cut back. So you can keep it as a tax and set a deadline too. So it has made a lot of steps to save money. You can check them one on one. It's a short video, so this gave you a certain idea about how to make a plan with QwenLM AI. And from here, you can extract the taxes, set the deadlines, and add them to the calendar and set the date too. Once you have added all the tasks and set the deadlines, it's time to assign them to the team members if you work in team, or for the personal, you can add to the apps like habit tracker or anything that helps you to track the habit you kept in tasks and set a deadline. And that's if you have created a comprehensive plan using QwenLM AI. That's it for today. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Happy planning and stay safe.